Have you ever thought about growing your own vegetables, herbs and fruit at home? It's easier than you think. Before you dive straight in, think about the space you have available and what you want to achieve with your garden. Where does the sun hit the garden in the morning? Do you want to add a growing area for the kids low down? How about a nice seating area to catch the evening sun after work? You don't need to do it all at once, and a modular system like WoodBlocX lets you build it piece by piece so you can build up to that dream garden. Your kit will arrive looking something like this. You have all the components you need plus step-by-step instructions. Start by measuring out the area where your raised bed will go, then make sure it's as level as possible. The key thing is to follow the instructions provided with your kit. They show you where you need to place your dowels and which blocks go where. It's all broken down layer by layer and really easy to follow. Place your blocks, then in go your dowels. Just knock them into the hole using the dowel protector. The blocks should overlap layer by layer. This is what helps give WoodBlocX structures their unique strength and durability. The corners of the raised beds are one of the strongest areas, which isn't always the case with similar products. They all need 3 dowels and an angle plate just slotted on top of the final layer for extra strength. When you get to your final layer of your build, you need to cut off the dowels halfway down. You can use a dowel cutter to do this. It's the safest and easiest way to cut them, and then you can fit your capping. The capping comes in 2 styles. One sits flush to the side of the bed and the other has a slight overhang. The capping all comes pre-cut, so just check your instructions, then fit the full length of capping first. Starting at one end, work your way along. Use a block of wood to protect the capping and it just hammers on. And that's it! Beautiful raised beds and planters you can build for yourself.